Ever woken up to a sore jaw? You might be grinding your teeth. Known as Bruxism, this oral habit involves the clenching and grinding of teeth. Fascinatingly, between 50 to 96% of adults experience it, often without realizing. But what sparks this condition? No single cause exists. It's often a cocktail of factors like emotional stress or personality traits like aggression, time urgency, or achievement compulsion. So, how to spot the signs? Look out for tooth wear, fractures, grinding noise noticed by a sleeping partner, facial muscle pain and fatigue, jaw issues, unexplained headaches, and sensitive teeth. The good news is, it's treatable. Your dentist can guide you toward behavioral therapies, stress reduction techniques, or even recommend a removable intraoral appliance. Think you're grinding your teeth? Don't wait. See your dentist today.